Welcome, my dear children. Today we are going to learn Term 2, Unit 1, Prose, Adventures of Don Quixote. Before we get into the lesson, let us do the warm up exercise. Okay? Dear children, trace around your hand on your white paper. Okay? Then make a list of your 5 choice. Anything. Okay, for example, here I choose pen, mic, gift, book and cricket bat. Okay, then draw a picture to indicate what would your finger becomes. Okay, for example, my thumb finger want to become a mic. So draw a picture to indicate what would your finger want to become and write your story about your choice. Okay, children? Greetings to all. My dear children, I hope you enjoyed the warm-up exercise. Let us get into the lesson. Adventures of Don Quixote. My dear children, this word is very difficult to pronounce, no? So I will teach you how to pronounce the word. First, let us spell the word D-O-N. Don. Quixote. Q-U-I-X-O-T-E. Quixote. Don Quixote. For better pronunciation, let us learn the phonetic form. See how I am changing the word into phonetic form. Dawn. E we have to write in opposite side. This is the phonetic form of Don Quixote. I will teach you how to pronounce in the phonetic form. D, A, colon, A, in, Dawn. Okay? Quixote. K-I we have to pronounce Ki. H and E we write in the opposite side U. Ho. We have to pronounce Ho. And T-E. T-I we have to pronounce T-E-E. Quixote. Quixote. So, Don Quixote. Now you understand, children, how to pronounce the word? Okay. Let us get into the lesson. Dear children, let us get into the lesson. Don Quixote lived in the village of La Mancha in Spain. He spent a lot of time reading books on ancient knights and their adventures. Knights means Mavirable. He was so involved in the stories that he forgot to eat and sleep properly. As years passed, he imagined himself to be a knight. And he convenienced Sancho Panza, a farmer from the same village, to be his squire. Squire means one assistant of knight. Okay, children, let us see what happened. Don Quixote told Sancho that he should serve him honestly and faithfully. If he did so, he would reward him with an island. Sancho was surprised to hear the offer. Don vowed to do it upon his honor as a knight. So, will you come with me? Yes, master, I will come with you, said Sancho. So the two men set out on a journey together. They came to a hill. They saw a large old windmill on top of the hill. Suddenly, Don's eyes sparkled at the sight of the windmill. He mistook the windmill as an ogre. Ogres means monster or giant. He said to Sancho, "See, look, Sancho, how dare that hideous ogre block our path." Sancho was a man of practical wisdom. So he said that it was a windmill, not an ogre. But Don refused to believe him because he thought that Sancho was afraid of ogres. Ogres means monster or giant. So he did not believe Sancho when he told him that the ogres were actually windmills. Don decided to engage himself in a compact with the ogre. Compact means battle. விண்மில்லோட ஃபைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரெடி ஆகுறாரு பிகாஸ் he thought that windmill as an ogre. Okay, so he ready to fight with windmill. The next moment he was thrown to the ground. Sancho, master, are you all right? See, I told you it was just a windmill, not an ogre. But still, Don said, "Look, Sancho, the ogre is more seriously wounded than I am." என்னை விட ரொம்ப அடிபட்டிருக்கிறது யாரு? The windmill அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. But now, Sancho agreed that master said was absolutely right. Actually, the windmill was working perfectly. Sancho did his best to save his master from adventures. Now, Don said, "Someday people will write of our great exploits. But we must prove worthy of that honor." Then both of them continued their journey. As Don and Sancho passed a farm, they saw a thick cloud of dust appeared. It was caused by a flock of sheep and lambs moving. But Don said that a large army of the enemy was approaching them. He seemed to hear the neighing of steeds, the sound of trumpet, and the rattling of drums. Sancho said that the noise was due to the crying of sheep and lambs. He trying to stop his master fighting against them. He advised him and request him, "Please, sir, come back. What madness is this? They are really sheep and lambs." But Don said, "If you're afraid of fighting, stand aside. I will go on alone and fight against our enemies." He charged into the midst of the sheep. The frightened animals began to run helter-skelter. Helter-skelter means confusion. Seeing the commotion, the shepherds stones at Don. Shepherds means ஆடு மேய்ப்பவர். அவர் என்ன பண்ணாரு? டான் மேலே கல் எடுத்து போடுறாரு. Don fell wounded to the ground. The local farmer knew that
Don was crazy. So they laughed and mocking him. But Don said to Sancho, Sancho, look, see how the people welcome us. They must have heard of our great deeds. He said that everyone was welcoming them for their great deeds. Sancho said, Oh, no, master. Listen very carefully. They are not welcoming us, they are mocking you. Just they are making fun of you அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றார். But Don believed that everyone cheered him. எல்லாரும் அவர் வந்து அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறார். And he said to Sancho, Very well, Sancho, we shall speak no more of this today, but we need more adventures. For that Sancho also said, Yes, master, we need more adventures. After that, Don returned to his estate, and he realized that all his adventures were simply a product of his imagination. இது எல்லாமே அவருடைய கற்பனை. But his house would always be full of children. He gathered the children from neighboring houses and he would tell the most fantastic stories about knights and their adventures. They all lived happily together, going on many more adventures in their imagination. Let us learn the glossary from the lesson. Knights. A man who served his lord as a mounted soldier in armor. Knights means வீரர்கள். Incredible. Unbelievable. Believe means நம்பக்கூடியது. Unbelievable நம்ப முடியாத. Ogres are silent. Okay, children? Ogres means monster, giant. Monster means asuran, giant, rakshasan. Hilarious, amusing, entertaining, making fun. Combat, fighting between armed forces. Fighting between armed forces. Battle, fight பண்றது. Reward, give as a present. Gift-ஆ கொடுக்கிறது. Adventures, heroic activities. Squire, knight's servant. Knights means மாவீரர்கள். மாவீரர்களுக்கு servant-ஆ இருக்கவங்கள squire அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, children, I hope you understand the lesson and meanings very well. Thank you.